Hey, 8th graders. So this video is mainly for my DLI kids. However, if you are A and B and you are gone for the day we did this in class, you guys can be doing this video as well to follow along with the instructions for DLI. So your learning targets for today is I can explore thermal energy and temperature. Okay, your first little part to this is the food coloring race. So there's nothing you guys have to do with this. If you guys do have this stuff at home, you're more than welcome to do it on your own. So what I have is 3 glasses, one of hot water, one of cold water, so you guys can kind of see the condensation on the side showing it's cold. You guys can see a little steam on the inside of this one showing it's hot, and then just a glass of lukewarm, roomish temperature water. Okay, so you're going to make a prediction first. If I add 3 drops of food coloring to each cup above, or add food coloring to each cup above, at the same time, which will mix and color the water first? So you guys will use the draw tool to circle your answer. Either circle warm water, cold water, or the hot water. So don't forget to do that. Or you think they're going to mix all at the same, and then give me a reason why you guys chose that answer. Okay? Moving on to the next slide, you guys will watch this video, and you guys will watch this lab actually take place. It's not a very long video. So then what were your results when we added the food coloring to each cup? At about the same time, which mixed and colored the water first? So tell me which one actually colored the water first, if you were right or wrong, and again, why you think that is. Just kind of make an observation of what you see happening in the cups. Okay, your next part, you guys can do this at home. So what you're going to do is you're going to fill up 3 containers. You can technically do 2 at a time. You'll need one that's generally lukewarm water, kind of room temperature-ish water. Needs to be a big enough container for you to fit your hand in. So maybe you guys do sinks. Okay, maybe you have 2 sinks in your kitchen, one that you can fill up with lukewarm water, and then one that you can fill up with cold water. So you can use either really cold water, you guys can drop some ice cubes in it, whatever the case. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your right hand, and you're going to put it in the cold water, and you're going to hold it there for a minute. Okay, after your minute is up, you're going to shake off your hand, and you're going to put it in your lukewarm water, and then you will explain how that water felt, that lukewarm water felt after having it in the cold for so long. Okay, tell me your results right there. Then on the next slide, you're going to switch it up. You're going to take your left hand, and you're going to put it in the hot water. Obviously, it shouldn't be so hot that it burns your hand. And you're going to hold it in the hot water for a minute. Then after the minute, you're going to shake it off, and you're going to put it in the lukewarm or the room temperature water and tell me how it feels. Okay, so how did the room temperature water feel after having your hand in hot water for a minute? And then why do you think they felt different? So give a prediction about that. Okay, last little one that we have is the ice block or the melting ice demo challenge. So I have 2 objects, a solid metal block and a solid plastic block. Imagine touching these 2 objects. Which would feel warmer to the touch? Both of those objects we're going to assume are sitting in the same room and have been all day. Okay, so which do you guys think would feel warmer to the touch? You guys will use your draw tool to circle either metal block, plastic block, or both the same. And then which object would have a lower temperature? So if I were to use some kind of heat gun to measure them, which do you think would be cooler or have a lower temperature? Again, use your guys' draw tool to circle the answers there. And then you guys will go on to make a prediction. If I place an ice cube on the plastic block and the metal block, which would melt the ice cube faster and why? So again, circle which one you guys think would melt an ice cube faster if I put it on the metal block, the plastic block, or both at the same time, and then why? Okay, and then you guys will actually see this happen. So I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Watch this video and then give me the results. Which actually melted the block faster and why? Okay? Finally, you guys are going to find some answers to these little phenomenon here if you watch these 4 videos. And then finally, you guys can give a reason as to why the ice cube melted faster on one block, the other block, are both the same. I'm not going to give that away yet. Okay, when you're done with this lab, make sure you guys clean up so you don't get in trouble at home. And go ahead and hand it in. I hope you're all having a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.